Okay guys, today we're going to practice finding simple interest. Remember the formula for finding simple interest is I equals P times R times T. Remember that I is the interest, or the money earned, P is the principal, or the money that we start with, R is your rate, or the percentage, and T is time in years. The first example we have, find the interest earned on $750 at 5% for 2 years. So the amount that we're starting with, 750, is our principal, 5% is our rate, and our time is 2 years. Remember, time should always be in years. My formula is I equals P times R times T. I'll substitute the numbers in the formula. I, we still don't know what that is. Principal is $750 times our rate, which is 5%, times 2 for our time in years. You should always change your percent to a decimal. If you're using the TI calculator, you can always put 5 with the percent sign and it'll work the same. So 5% as a decimal, remember you move 2 to the right, which would make 5% 0.05 as a decimal. So that would be I equals 750 times 0.05 times 2. Now remember, you can use a calculator if you have it. If you're not using the calculator, you would take 750 times 0.05. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Okay, you have 2 decimal places right here, so you should move your decimal twice here, which gives you 37.5 or 37.50. Now you want to multiply that by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. You only have 1 decimal place here, so you move the decimal once here, which means that your interest earned is $75. Okay? Next problem, we're going to find the interest when our principal is $1,450. 11% is our rate. 5 years is our time. So remember that our 11%, we can change it to 0.11 if you don't have a calculator with the percent sign. We'll substitute the numbers in the formula. I, we don't know our interest. Our principal is 1,450 times our rate, which is 0.11, times 5, which is the amount of years, time in years. When we multiply 1,450 times 0.11, 0, 5, 4, and 1. Remember to leave a space here. 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1. And then you'll add these. 0, 5, 9, 6, 1. We have 2 numbers after a decimal, so we'll move our decimal twice here. which is 169.5. We'll multiply that by 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is 47. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 4 is 34. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. You have now only one number after a decimal, so you'll move your decimal one time, which means the interest earned would be $847.50.